Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'll be going over 3 things I would highly recommend you do to your 6-liter Powerstroke truck once you get it, if it hasn't been done so already. So number 1, I would suggest you get the 2008 to 2016 tow mirrors. The 99 to 2007 style is that weird kind of roundish looking shape. Your wide angle mirror on the bottom is like pretty much useless. These 2008 style mirrors are great. I can see really well, and I'm just never going to go back to those old style mirrors, but I do have them on my truck. I picked them up on eBay. You don't have to get an OEM tow mirror. The aftermarket ones work just fine, and they're like 120 to 160 bucks around there on eBay. They do pretty much all the basic things you need them to do. I mean, they're mirrors. They'll do what you need them to do. And check out these mirrors over here. You have that telescopic slide out for when you're towing. And yeah, they're great. Like I said, that bottom convex mirror that gives you that wide angle is a lot better than the round one on the stock mirrors that came on your 6.0. So yeah, highly recommend that upgrade. Super easy to install. Alright, next thing I would recommend is a coolant filtration system. You don't have to get a Sinister diesel one. I've heard people having decent success with the no-name ones you can get on eBay. But it basically runs your coolant. It doesn't run the whole amount of coolant through the filter every single time, but it skims off a little bit every time it circulates through the system. And it goes through a 24070 Wix coolant filter. There's where it attaches right there, and then it tees into your degas bottle up here. And keeping your coolant clean is very vital on a 6.0. You don't want any of those small coolant passages clogging up, especially in your oil cooler. The small passages can get clogged up, causing your oil cooler to not cool as efficiently as it should. Your oil temps start to go higher. The higher the oil temps, the higher, or the less, the thinner it gets, and the thinner oil does not lubricate as well. Also, the oil, as you know, runs your injectors, and you want good oil for your injectors. And the last upgrade I would recommend is right down there. You can't see it, and you can't even really see the housing, but it's the blue spring mod. What it does is it bumps up your fuel pressure to your injectors, and that keeps your injectors happy, and it keeps them, it puts less stress on them, so they last a little bit longer for you. Definitely would recommend that one. It's just a bit of insurance, really easy to do. I also did my thermostat while I was doing that blue spring mod, so just knocking out 2 things at once there. So there you have it. 3 things I would highly recommend you do to your 6.0 truck when you first get it. They're not very difficult to do at all. You just need a basic set of hand tools. They are not expensive. Like I said, the mirrors are about $140 or so online. The blue spring mod is actually like $20 to $30 depending on where you get it. And the coolant filtration system can be as low as $60 for a no-name. I got a Sinister, which was like mid to upper $100. But again, they are the mirrors, of course, are to help you see a lot better. The coolant filtration system and the blue spring mod are just kind of insurance to kind of help keep your 6.0 running longer, keep it running healthier. Because when it comes to 6.0s, coolant is very important. You got to keep that coolant clean and keep it from clogging up that oil cooler. And that blue spring mod, to increase that fuel pressure, helps keep your injectors happy, and we all want happy injectors. They're like $200 some a pop. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope this helped you. Hope you go out and buy up a few things for your 6.0. Keep the 6.0 running strong. If you haven't subbed to the channel already, please give it a sub, give this video a like, and as always, thanks for watching.